In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SciSpace and its Copilot to completely streamline your research process in one tool. If you spend a lot of time reading academic papers, trying to decode technical language, or jumping between different apps just to understand one study, this workflow can make things much easier. SciSpace is designed to help you read, search, and interact with research papers more efficiently, and its Copilot feature acts like a built-in assistant while you work. To begin, head over to the official SciSpace website and create a free account. This gives you access to the platform so you can start organizing and exploring papers right away. The setup is simple, and once you're inside, you'll be ready to use the core tools without needing a complicated onboarding process. Next, either upload a research paper PDF you already have or search directly inside the platform's library, which includes access to millions of academic papers. This is especially helpful because it lets you keep everything in one place. If you already know what paper you need, upload it and get started immediately. If you're still exploring a topic, the built-in library can help you find relevant material without leaving the platform. Once you've chosen a paper, open it in the reader. This is where SciSpace really becomes useful. As you read, you can click on any paragraph that feels confusing, any dense section of technical writing, any complicated math equation, or even a chart that's hard to interpret. Copilot will then explain it in simple, plain English, which can save you a huge amount of time and make difficult material much easier to understand. You can also use the built-in chat feature, located in the sidebar. This allows you to ask specific questions about the paper, such as how the methodology works, what the results actually mean, or what limitations the study may have. Instead of rereading the same sections over and over, you can ask focused questions and get direct explanations that help you move faster and understand more deeply. While reading, you can highlight important text to instantly generate summaries, find related papers, or extract key citations for your own writing. This is a great way to turn passive reading into active research. It helps you capture the most useful insights as you go, and it can also make note-taking and literature review work much more efficient. And that's really all it takes to simplify your workflow and get more value out of every paper you read using SciSpace and Copilot. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more research tips and tutorials.